The mill markings match the manifest for Lot 4B.
Confirmed. Let's update the inventory status now.
This is the rapid quenching and tempering station. The sudden temperature drop hardens the steel, preparing it for the next stage.
The ultrasonic scan is clean, pattern holding steady in the green.
Confirmed. Tolerances are well within specifications.
Check the angle on the digital protractor.
Reads exactly 60 degrees. Perfect geometry.
Check the wire feed on robot 3.
Stable at 15 meters per minute, all parameters green.
Okay, center the generator on the seam.
Looks aligned. Back in the booth.
Initiating exposure sequence now. We are holding steady at a 1,150 across all zones.
Acknowledge. Monitor the cooling rate starting in zone 3.
Look at the readout here, 0.0049.
The probing sequence confirms the adjustment. We are good to proceed with the next section.
Zone 3 stabilization at 1652.
Acknowledged. Beginning soak cycle in 5 minutes.
This sophisticated metallurgical process, the rapid polymer quench, is critical to forging the advanced armor of the Abrams tank.
The laser tracker is showing +2 microns on the Z-axis.
Cross-check the CAD model, adjust fixture 4.
Roger that, making the fine adjustment now.
The tolerances on the sight mounts look good.
Agreed. Agreed, the bore operations are synchronized perfectly.
Every turret casting undergoes rigorous ballistic certification.
Verify the dimensions on the fire control mount.
Set the depth on the drill.
Torquing the inserts now. This massive steel forging, 18 feet long and weighing over 2 tons, represents the foundation.
The pressure is spiking slightly. It's holding steady now, but let's watch the thrust average.
The bore is chrome-plated to provide wear resistance. We use specialized gauges to ensure the plating thickness is absolutely uniform. The installation of the bore evacuator requires extreme precision. The circumferential welds are critical for structural integrity under firing loads.
Gauge is secure. Evacuating the cell now.
Test sequence active. Firing. Peak pressure achieved. Verifying structural response.
Ensure the ceramic coating is undisturbed during placement.
Torquing to specifications now. Readout confirms target achieved.
Here we see the complex gear sets of the X1100 3B being installed. Precision shims
Keep it steady, watching the alignment. Pressure's good, moving forward.
Sensors petabales. Here at stage 47, the road wheels are hoisted into position.
The AGP 1500 turbine and X1100 3B transmission are integrated here.
Clear on this side. Still tight on the hydraulics, easy now.
New. The installation of radiator assemblies, oil coolers, and air filtration systems ensures the 1500.
Are the continuity tests complete on harness 42B?
Yes, circuits verified. We are clear for power up.
Watch the guides, watch the guides. Got it, bring it down. Clear on this side. Steady now, bring it down 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters, steady. Confirmed alignment on the left trunnion.
The bustle storage is designed with distinct blowout panels, directing any detonation away from the crew compartment.
Weapon system check, traversing left.
Verified. Elevation up, stabilization engaged. All parameters green.
Comms check, driver station to commander. Do you read?
Loud and clear, engineer. All systems green here.
This sophisticated collective protection system allows the crew to operate safely, maintaining a slight positive pressure within the compartment.
Test sequence initiated.
Warning lights and alarms are active. System operational.
Radio check, radio check. How do you read? Over.
Adjusting the alignment now. We need perfect coordination with the fire control system.
Looking good from here. All systems nominal.
Torques are good on the cables. This box is secure. We're running the diagnostic on the smoke launchers now. Power check is green. Clear for start, confirming green status on all panels.
Acknowledged. Engaging starter. Okay.
We have a stable idle.
Simulating pump failure.
Standby. Accumulator engaged.
Warning. Emergency hydraulics active. System stable.
Radio check, over.
Solid copy. Intercom verified. Diagnostics are green across the board.
Voltage stable, sequence complete.
Engaging the hydraulics now. Watch the tension readout.
Steady increase. We are within tolerance.
Tracks rotating smoothly. No interference detected. Suspension response nominal. Proceed with steering input.
Initiate full service brake application now. Deceleration rates nominal. Test complete.
The compression rates are well within tolerance.
Yes, and the thermal readout looks stable at high speed.
Control to Abrams, you are clear for the high-speed run. Maximum speed authorized. All right, beginning traverse test sequence. Gunner, engage hydraulics for high-speed clockwise rotation.
Engaging high-speed traverse now, control.
The gun elevates smoothly to the 20-degree mark, validating the stabilization systems during full traverse.
Alignment is within tolerance, 0.001 mils. Copy that.
Certifying the system ready for live fire.
Range is hot, loading complete. Confirmed, fire. Target impacted, shot good.
Target acquired, range 2534.
Ballistic solution calculated. Firing now.
NBC system fully active. Overpressure at 120 pascals.
Confirmed, Commander. Interior air quality is clean. We are fully sealed.
Command post, this is Sierra 1. Radio check, over. Roger, Sierra 1, loud and clear. Intercom's holding steady.
Warning, GPS signal degradation detected. Inertial navigation engaged. Recalculating route.
Commander acknowledges. Proceed on new vector.
Suspension looks good. No fatigue cracks visible.
Copy that. Tracks are holding up well too.
Ammunition feed is clear.
Confirmed. Round loaded and ready.
AC holding steady, Commander.
Confirmed. All systems check green at 120 degrees.
Keep it coming slow, watch the ramp. You're clear on the left, center it up. Hold, set the brakes now.
Initiate maneuver sequence Gamma. Monitor power fluctuations.
Engine 2 failure detected. Backup engaged. System nominal.
All certifications are complete and signed.
The track alignment is perfect.
Very well. The M1 Abrams is certified combat ready.
The final inspection is complete. It meets all contract specifications.
Excellent. The Army accepts delivery. Well done.
All inspections passed. This one is certified for delivery.
Hold it right there. A little more to the left. All right, bring it on up slowly.